they are so cute. Oh my goodness, just look at. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you happen to be new, hello, my name is Miss Katheu. If you are returning subscriber, thank you so much. Kindly subscribe and make this video get to as many people as possible. So guys, I want to catch you up on what has been happening in this video. So the day before yesterday, I went to town, got my hair done, also did my nails, poa, and my toes too. And then yesterday I went back to town and like ran some errands before Christmas. Mostly I went to get some gifts for family members. We have this tradition whereby on Christmas, like we do exchange gifts. Not really Christmas, but Boxing Day, we do exchange gifts. Right now, I want to pack. We are planning to go home, so let's pack. Get my baby ready, also get myself ready, and then we will leave. I think by 2 at 2 there. Also, guys, I want to show you some cute stuff that I got for my baby za kumstyle nywele cause mtoto wangu I'm not planning on like taking her to salon to braid cause I feel like she's too young, and also like the pain for the baby is not really like necessary. But this stuff which I'm gonna use to style her hair, and also this, like I'll use this to tie the hair, like nizifunga to different styles and what, and then these two clips nitatumia maybe kupin down some parts zenye nataka kakue tu ka cute. Unaona vile zinakaa, they are so cute. Oh my goodness, just look at that. I think there is another one. I think I got like 6, but since I got them, my baby has been playing with them, so I know tu yingine iko maybe somewhere in the house. So let's pack. Hizi ndo mango zenye nataka kupack. So guys, before I close the briefcase, this is how I've packed. Like on this side is my baby's clothes, and then on this side is like my husband's and my clothes. So, and then on top is the gifts. Yeah, I think itafungika. I don't think if like in my pack maybe because we'll be there for like 2 days. Yeah, so peace. Twende. So guys, we are ready to go. I think it's around 2:20 na tunataka kutoka. I want to show you my outfit of the day and my scent of the day. Did I show you my what? Did I show you my hairstyle? Like, this is it. I decided to do a bit knotless. Actually love it. Yeah, so let me show you my outfit and the scent of the day. Yes, Mom. Huh?